Dudes, look at this. They're going for like miles. They're just birds everywhere. Look at that. They just keep going and going as far as you can see. This is ridiculous. I don't even know why I waste my time goose hunting in Ohio. We gotta come out here. Look at that. That is insane. Would you just look at that? Turkeys. Look at it. Right there on the left. Man. Oh, he's looking at you. Shoo. Well, guys, we're back after lunch. I forgot to do an intro video. We dropped dogs, took off down a fence row, jumped one, it run across the field. They circled it back and I got a shot at it. I got that on the GoPro. I don't know how good the footage is, but it was probably only 15 yards, so hopefully you can see it pretty good. I don't know. If not, he's coming to you. Yeah, I got him. All right. What? Here he is, 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 right here, right here, right here. Here he is, here he is. Good dogs, good dogs, good dogs. Here he is. Here he is, guys. Come here, check him out. Good boy, Shorty. Good boy. Right here. Good boy, Skid. Good boy. Good boy. Come here, Rhonda. Come here, Sal. Look here. Here he is. Here he is. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good job, guys. All right. Oh, yeah. Got him. I saw him up there, but I couldn't shoot because I could see you guys through. And he kept coming, 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 coming. And then, kapooyah. What's that? Rattling? Yeah, he might weigh a couple pounds more now. And now we've moved on from that. We're walking down through here trying to get some more up. We've got 6 dogs down this afternoon. And we got 6 people out here this afternoon. Let me think. Steve, Dad, Wes, Fluff, Turner, me, Katie. 7. So, we're having a blast. They're waving at us. Fluff, it's your time. Your turn, buddy. My turn? Yes, sir. It's Frankie.
Okay. What's up, Frankie?
Frankie.
Doesn't he look like Mr. Plant?
I don't even know what that is. You don't know what that is?
Nope.
That was way before your time.
Uh-huh.
Before my time. Burl Ryan. Who is
He's a butler on
I guess you probably don't know. You don't remember the cartoon The Jetsons either, do you?
Oh, yeah.
You remember?
I know the Jetsons, yeah.
Well, it's about the same time.
Dad took out just Sally and Macy. Man, they got started without me. They're running one. I can hear them running one. But I thought we was going together. And there they are. They just went without me. So now I gotta go catch up, I guess. And I'm gonna go down here and meet them. Got the big gun out today. The old 410. Got 3 yesterday with the 12 gauge. And we're gonna see how the old 410 performs. So let's go. Let's do this again. Day number 2. Missouri. Yeah! Got him. Got him. What? Man, she is hammering it. Man, that was a cheat shot. It come up here and stopped. I just went, pow. Right there to right here. Good dogs. Look at her. Look at her. What is this? Macy, 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 Macy. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Good dogs. Good dogs. Good girls. Good girl. That's a nice sized rabbit.
Yeah, it is. Come on, Sal. Let's go find another one.
You hear Shorty up there? He's not happy. Well, you better get to the tree or somewhere in the middle where you can see. They're coming around right now. You're gonna bump it. Did you see it?
Hey, old Shorty.
Oh yeah.
I think they got up inside that fence. They can't get out. Yeah, they went up in that fence. They can't get out.
What fence?
There's a fence up there. There's a gate down there, and they went through that gate, and they're stuck. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that rabbit's sitting right over here.
Oh, hey, I see a dog over there.
They're jumping, trying to get over that fence. Got it. Stupid rabbit. That's just a pretty smart rabbit, isn't it?
Yep. Get it. Why? I'm literally not holding my gun so I can video you shooting this thing. Right here, girls. Check, 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 check. Check here, check here, check here. Right here, Mace. Check, 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 check here, check here, check here, check here. Where is he? Here he is. Find him up, find him up, find him up. Macy, here. Right here, check here, check here. Right here. Come on. Come on. You're going this way, Macy. Right through here, Mace. Check here. Right here, Sal. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Check. Right here. Sal, check.
Sally. Check here.
Right about there.
where it went, right there. Rolling.
Come on, Mace, go. Figure it out. That must be a doe rabbit.
We got Sally, who's 10, and Macy, who's 7 months, and they're poking at this rabbit here, trying to get it figured out. Oh, we done missed it. No, not today. I don't know. I don't know what happened to that one. Look at all these geese, man. Just bunches and bunches and bunches.
What is more over here? Oh, goodness gracious.
Ridiculous, man.
It's like,
It's day 3. Last day of the hunt.
perfect.
We're loaded up in the truck, getting ready to roll.
And then you got a rotted out bed.
Me, Dad, and Uncle Wheezy this morning. We might get another guy join us at noon or so, and let's see how many more we can bring home with us.
Hopefully not the game warden gonna join us. It's cold today.
Oh, if the game warden joins us,
36.
we just invite him to come with us. You know, we're all legal and stuff.
It drops down in just a few seconds.
So that's the plan. About to roll out
Got so
and
much junk in my pockets. I don't know if I can walk.
see what we can come up with.
Let's go get her done.
Huh?
Get her done.
Thing 1,
Yo, dog.
thing 2.
Look here.
Who's gonna shoot the most today?
Look here. Lots of ammo. I don't have to preserve ammo now. I can shoot.
I expect at least a 3-shot blast when they come by you.
How many are we allowed to kill?
6 each.
So we could
That's
potentially
18.
Get 18 rats. I'm not
I'm
expecting
going for 1.
Yeah.
My goal right now is 1 rabbit.
1 rat.
That's my first goal today, 1. Once I reach that goal, it'll be 2.
There we go. All right.
Here we go. Hey, boys. Sorry the angle's a little goofy, but all I've got to deal with is trees out here because I ain't putting it on my gun after missing. Yep, it was coming right to us. Well, we better make a move then. Think we stay? Here's Macy. Probably ran right through here while I was turning around looking at this. Yep. That's a different rabbit. That's a different rabbit. Holy smokes. How come you didn't shoot one? Took a shot off and missed, but we got dogs on it. We're gonna try and make a move on him. He made it past me! I didn't see that stupid thing. Looks like he might have got it. All right. We got him. We got him, dogs. Good dogs.
Hey, Macy.
Think so? Think she's just pumped up.
No, it came down around this way.
Oh, it was coming back down this way?
It was coming down. I was standing right there and it was coming down the path.
Nice.
Hey, 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 hey!
Good girl, Macy. That's it.
That's it.
Good dogs. You were standing right here?
Yeah, see that biggest tree? Right there? I was just in that little hole there.
Yeah, right here.
And I was looking this way and I saw him. He was right about there. So he's only like 15 feet in front of me.
Yeah.
He come down through there and he
That's a big one.
come down through there and I'm like, oh, I can't even move.
Yeah.
So I just froze. I didn't try to shoot him.
Yeah.
I put the safety off, and when I put the safety off, he's like,
She likes that, huh?
huh?
She likes that.
It's been a good trip for her.
Yep.
I'm glad we brought her.
Can you put that back here for you?
Unless you want to carry it.
Nice. There you go.
Oh, man, it's mean to me.
Let's go get another one.
Yeah.
Hot diggity. Yeah. I don't know how much you guys saw that. It was really quick. As soon as I turned the camera on, boom, there he hopped out. And he saw me when I saw him. But instead of moving, he stopped. Right here, guys. Right here he is.